Here's 5 gifts for the car enthusiast in your life. A cordless tire inflator. These come in all different kinds of shapes and sizes. For instance, this one is battery powered. They also have ones that you can plug in, help you get out of a sticky situation. A portable jump starter. This is a compact, convenient, easy to use tool that everyone should have in their car. It'll save you from walking around a parking lot looking for a friendly stranger to give you a jump. A nylon sleeve socket set. These sockets feature a nylon sleeve that will help preserve the finish on your wheels and lug nuts when installing them. The next thing is going to be this button for my shirt. No, I'm just kidding. This is an Apple AirTag. We actually have seen a lot of people in the car community using these as an anti-theft device. Last but not least, we have our CCD Max wheel ceramic coating kit. Our CCD Max kit offers great protection for your wheels, repelling brake dust and contaminants. You'll be able to fully ceramic coat your set of wheels, and in some cases, 2 sets. You can find this available now at our website, store.koenigwheels.com. So for myself and everyone here at Koenig Wheels, we wish you guys a happy and healthy holiday, so take care and enjoy your week.